Right guys, and welcome back. I've got the mirror for the see it. So we're going to have a look at it, see what it's like. There we go. It's not in bad nick. I'm going to have to change that over because this is like a gloss finish, but on mine it's a matte. So I'll have to change the trim. Hopefully, once we get this on, and the switch I had a rant over yesterday, which is there guys, again, state of that. I'm hoping that it'll go in and out, so we'll get set up, get the old one off, get the new one on, try and sort this switch out, and hopefully it'll be another problem fixed. So I'll be back with you shortly and just get set up. Right guys, let's get door panel off. I've swapped the light a bit over, which is charging thing, obviously it's not going to be used as a light. This, I've took the other one off, the other one in the house, and it's awkward to get off, and I don't want to break it. So what I'll do is, I'll fit it, see if it all works with the mirror, and then I'll just re-wrap this, because it's as though that's what it is. It's, I don't know, it's just rubbish. So let's just first of all, to get one problem out of the way, let's see if it works and see if the mirror works. So we'll get the mirror off. I want to get this door put back together. Take that off. Get off. Check the mirror again. Brought a little spanner out this time, it might be easier. Whole mirror off. See what I mean about it being dull? The other one's all shiny. So we'll have to keep that and try to get that off without breaking it. No mirror guys. If it don't work, I'm not going to be happy. First things first. Don't look like it's on right anyway. So it's what you get with buying off eBay. Connect it up and I'll get your Insight card and we'll see if we can get this switch wired in and see if it works. Obviously we'll have to put this back on because I'm not sure the door's got to be shut. Right. Right, switch time. I know it looks tatty, but we can always sort that out if we can get it to work. I mean, that was like 30 quid off eBay, that, and to see how it came, I'm moaning on again, about it, sorry guys. Just kind of annoying. I am now just going to switch the old switches to the new second-hand switches, hoping that that will solve the problem. And I'm not holding my breath, but there's a good chance that is the problem. So we will find out in just a moment, and you'll either see me laughing or crying. Might be easier, just check the switch out maybe, then break it. What switch is it? So it's that one. Take switch, easier to take switch out. So we'll just swap switch over. Make sure we've got it right way around. Wash her back in. She won't push back in. That's why. So we're going to have to try and get that wire off, because that one, so the clip's obviously broken, the one on the car. That was a lot easier than what I thought. Right, first things first, take the old lighter one out, because we don't want that. It won't be getting used anyway, like I say that, but get the wiper one on first, because that's the awkwardest one. Not the wiper, sorry, the mirror. Get that in, and we'll get the lighter one in. Everything seems to be the wrong way around, doesn't it? There we go. And I'm guessing you goes into there. And I'm guessing you go into there. There's one thing I don't like, and that's electrics on cars. But sometimes you've got no choice but to do it. So right, so we're all wired in, guys. Shut door. What have I done with key? Right, what's people's opinions? Is it going to work or is it not? So let's see. No. Just see if everything else works on it. It's going out. It's going in, guys. Going down. Going up. That one's in. Out. Down. Up. So that works. So why ain't it going in? Because that's a new switch. It's a new mirror. Let's just have a look at something. See if we can get that one to go in altogether. Yep, that's gone up. can hear like a clicking. It's gonna have to be checked the wires again. This mirror just don't want to work. Right guys, I'm going to take the door card back off. I'm going to check the wires and I'll get back to you. Right guys, well chuffed. Got them working. Went on, used the computer actually built into the car, and what it was, somebody had set it to both together. So when I'm using the switch, it's only working the passenger side. Now they both work. Let me just show you. I've got to show you this because I'm excited. 2 minutes guys. I know I'm a bit. Hey, can you see me mirror? Watch it not work now. So really when I open the door it should go out. And it's not. Right, so do I do it with key? No. Right, so hold on. Oh, wait a minute, key's not on. So put it to manual. I have just got to figure it out. There you go. How cool is that? Can we get them to stay out? Stay. Oh guys. So that's a short video, but the only downside is I've probably bought another mirror for no reason. The switch were dodgy, fair enough, but I think I've bought another mirror for no reason, so there's nothing wrong with that mirror. So what I'll do is I'll obviously see if anybody needs one or whatever. Hey, I'm well chuffed with that. I mean, this is only going to be a short video, but I expected it to take all day because I thought it's not going to work. But bloody hell, something's gone right for a change. I tell you, how cool is that? So, yeah, so mirror's problem fixed, guys. On with the next bit. So now I can get the door all put back together, so we'll do that now. I'll get the door all back together and she's done. Basically, I think then she just wants flatting, buffing, have a good valet, MOT time. So yeah, I'll get you out and we'll get the door card on. Buzzing! Door card back together. It's only a few screws. Let's see if I can remember where they went. That's it guys, 2 minutes, the leash is back together. So all that's left to do on this is, like I say, flat the boot and the back bumper, buff it up, give it a good clean inside and out, polish, check a fire MOT.
Yeah, you're spending it on other stuff, aren't you?
And obviously there's still the airbag light problem, so I'm gonna try. My mate's got a better computer. I'm gonna see if that'll take it out. If not, I'll have to maybe pay somebody to do it. Either that or I've got another problem, which I'm hoping I haven't. I've put enough money into it now. So yeah, on that note guys, if you've liked, would you please subscribe and like, because like I say, I've got a lot of people watching but they're not seeming to subscribing. So if you would, it'd help me out a great deal, give me the motivation to keep going. So on that guys, I will see you all on the next one. Take care and have a fantastic day. Ta-ta. Watch the mirrors guys.